transform your living room into a lush, vibrant space? A few well-placed potted indoor plants can be just as essential as your favorite furniture and decor pieces. But indoor plants aren't just for looks. They bring a host of benefits too. From purifying the air and removing toxins, to boosting your mood and reducing feelings of depression and anxiety, these green beauties do it all. If you live in an urban area, adding plants to your living room can be a real game changer for both your mental and physical health. And the best part? Most indoor plants thrive in low light conditions. So even if you don't have large windows or tons of natural light, you can still create that cozy green vibe. Just use a few LED grow lights to help them along. Oh, and if you've got pets at home, be sure to double check which plants are pet safe before bringing them in. In today's video, I'll be sharing some of the best indoor plants for your living room that will not only beautify your space, but also support your well-being. So let's dive in and turn your living room into the ultimate indoor oasis. Anthurium is a stunning choice if you're looking to add a pop of color and elegance to your living room. With its striking heart-shaped red or pink blossoms and glossy deep green leaves, this plant not only enhances your decor, but also creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. But it's not just about looks. Anthurium is also recognized by NASA as one of the top air purifying plants, helping to cleanse your indoor space of toxins and improve air quality. Plus, it's pretty low maintenance. It thrives in indirect sunlight and only needs watering at regular intervals. Just make sure the soil stays slightly moist but not soggy. If you're searching for a living room plant that offers both beauty and easy care, Anthurium might be your perfect match. It's a simple way to brighten up your space while enjoying the benefits of cleaner air and a more relaxing environment. The Areca palm is a fantastic choice for bringing a touch of the tropics into your living room while also purifying the air. With its graceful feathery fronds, this plant adds a breezy, relaxed vibe to any space, making it an ideal decor piece for a cozy and refreshing atmosphere. Not only is the Areca palm a natural air purifier, but it's also super low maintenance. It thrives in indirect sunlight and prefers its soil to dry out slightly between waterings, perfect for those who don't want to stress over a strict care routine. According to Feng Shui, the Areca palm is known to bring positive energy into the home, helping to create a peaceful and harmonious environment. Plus, it's completely pet-friendly, so you won't have to worry about your furry friends around this plant. If you're looking for a stylish, beneficial, and easy-to-care-for plant to elevate your living room, the Areca palm checks all the boxes. The spider plant is a classic favorite when it comes to living room decor, and for good reason. Known for its arching, spider-like leaves that can grow up to 10 to 15 inches long, this plant looks especially stunning in hanging baskets or elevated planters, adding a touch of greenery without taking up valuable floor space. Beyond its looks, the spider plant is also a powerful air purifier, helping to remove toxins and improve your indoor air quality. It's incredibly low maintenance, thriving in bright to moderate sunlight and only needing water once in a while, making it perfect for both beginners and busy plant parents. Plus, spider plants are known to produce little baby spiderettes, which can be propagated easily to grow even more plants. Stylish, beneficial, and easy to care for, the spider plant is a simple way to add life and freshness to your living room. Peace lily is a timeless favorite for living room decor, combining elegance and functionality. With its glossy dark green leaves and stunning spoon-shaped white flowers, it adds a touch of sophistication and serenity to any indoor space. But the peace lily isn't just about looks, it's also a powerful air purifier, known for its ability to remove common indoor toxins and improve air quality. It thrives in low to moderate light, making it perfect for spaces without tons of natural sunlight. When it comes to care, the peace lily is quite forgiving. Let the soil dry out between waterings, and a good soak once a week is usually all it needs to stay happy. If you're looking for a plant that brings both beauty and wellness benefits into your living room, the peace lily is an excellent choice. Plus, Its graceful blooms are said to symbolize peace and tranquility, adding positive vibes to your space. Snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue, is a striking and resilient addition to any living room. Its tall, pointed leaves with unique, striped snakeskin-like patterns give it a bold, modern look that complements any decor style. Beyond its eye-catching appearance, the snake plant is a powerhouse when it comes to air purification. It absorbs toxins and releases fresh oxygen even at night, making it one of the best plants for improving indoor air quality. One of the biggest perks? It's incredibly low maintenance. Being drought tolerant, it thrives on minimal care, needing only moderate watering and preferring low to moderate light. Perfect for those tricky corners in your living room. Its hardy nature makes it ideal for both beginners and seasoned plant parents. If you're after a plant that's stylish, beneficial, and almost impossible to kill, the snake plant is a must-have. The money plant is a classic favorite for living room decor, not just for its lush trailing vines, but also for its reputation as a symbol of good luck and wealth. In feng shui, it's believed to attract prosperity and positive energy, making it a go-to plant for both homes and offices. One of the best things about the money plant is its versatility. It can be grown either in soil or simply in water with a few pebbles for support. It thrives in low to medium sunlight and requires minimal care, making it an excellent choice for beginners or anyone with a busy schedule. Besides its aesthetic and symbolic value, the money plant also acts as a natural air purifier, helping to improve your indoor air quality while adding a touch of greenery. Whether hanging in a basket, climbing a trellis, or trailing from a pot, the money plant brings a fresh, vibrant feel to any living room while inviting good fortune into your space. The ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamiifolia, is a stylish and hardy addition to any living room, known for its shiny, waxy leaves and glossy, deep green foliage. Its sleek appearance makes it perfect for brightening up corners or adding a modern touch to your decor. One of the reasons the Z plant is so popular is its low maintenance nature. It thrives in medium to low indirect light and is highly drought tolerant, requiring water only when the topsoil dries out, perfect for those who might forget the occasional watering. However, it's important to note that the ZZ plant is toxic if ingested. So if you have curious pets or small children, be sure to place it out of their reach. With its air purifying qualities and tough as nails reputation, the ZZ plant is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to add a little greenery to their living room without the fuss. The rubber plant, Ficus elastica, is a stunning and low-maintenance choice for living room decor, known for its large, round, glossy leaves that symbolize wealth and good fortune in many cultures. Its bold foliage makes it a stylish statement piece, adding a touch of elegance and freshness to any indoor space. Beyond its beauty, the rubber plant is also a powerful air purifier, helping to absorb toxins and release fresh oxygen, making your living room not just look better, but feel better too. Caring for a rubber plant is simple. It prefers indirect light. Too much direct sunlight can scorch its leaves, and only needs watering once a week. Just let the topsoil dry out between waterings to prevent overwatering. If you're looking for a durable, air-purifying plant that also brings in a bit of symbolic good fortune, the rubber plant is an excellent pick for your living room. The aloe vera plant is a must-have for any living room, not just for its striking succulent leaves, but also for its incredible health and skincare benefits. Known for its medicinal properties, the gel inside its thick leaves can be used for soothing burns, moisturizing skin, and even boosting overall wellness. Beyond its healing powers, aloe vera is also an effective air purifier, absorbing toxins and improving indoor air quality, making your living space healthier and fresher. Caring for aloe vera is super simple. It thrives in moderate sunlight, so placing it near a bright window is ideal. As a succulent, it doesn't require much water, only water when the soil has completely dried out to avoid overwatering. If you're looking for a low-maintenance, multi-purpose plant that brings both style and health benefits into your living room, aloe vera is the perfect choice. Pothos, Epipremnum aureum, also known as devil's ivy, is a versatile and low-maintenance plant that can instantly brighten up your living room. With its beautiful trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves, often variegated in shades of green and yellow, it looks especially stunning when placed in a hanging pot or allowed to cascade from a shelf. One of the best things about pothos is its adaptability. It thrives in moderate to low indirect light, making it perfect for spots that don't get tons of natural sunlight. When it comes to watering, pothos prefers frequent waterings, but it's also quite forgiving. Just water when the soil starts to dry out. Aside from its beauty, pothos is also known for its air purifying abilities, helping to remove toxins and improve indoor air quality. If you're looking for an easy care, decorative, and beneficial plant to liven up your living room, pothos is an excellent choice. The Monstera, Monstera deliciosa, often called the Swiss cheese plant, is a bold and stylish choice for living room decor. Its iconic large, glossy leaves with unique natural holes and splits make it a true statement piece, adding a tropical and modern vibe to any space. Monstera thrives best in bright, indirect light, where its leaves can develop those signature gaps. It's fairly low maintenance, needing watering just once a week. Simply let the topsoil dry out between waterings. To keep it looking its best, occasional pruning is helpful, especially if the plant starts to grow unruly or if you want to control its size. While the Monstera is an incredible air purifying and decorative plant, it's important to note that it's toxic to pets if ingested, so it's best placed out of reach of curious cats or dogs. If you're aiming for a dramatic, tropical feel in your living room, the Monstera is the perfect eye-catching choice. Lucky bamboo, Dracaena sanderiana, is a popular and low-maintenance plant that's not only beautiful, but also believed to bring good luck, prosperity, and positive energy into your home. Although it resembles real bamboo, it's actually part of the Dracaena family and is often used in feng shui practices to attract fortune. One of the easiest plants to care for, lucky bamboo thrives in water rather than soil, making it a hassle-free addition to your living room. Simply place it in a container with clean water and ensure it receives bright but indirect light. For optimal health, change the water once a week to keep it fresh and prevent root rot. You can also get creative with the plant's display by adding colored stones, gravel, or marble to the container, turning it into a decorative centerpiece that adds charm and elegance to your space. If you're looking for a plant that symbolizes good fortune while being effortless to maintain, the lucky bamboo is a perfect choice for your living room. And that wraps up our list of the best indoor plants to brighten up your living room. Whether you're looking to improve your home's air quality, add a touch of greenery, or simply create a more relaxing and inviting space, there's a perfect plant out there for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more tips about indoor plants and home decor.